All right, in this video breakdown, we're going to look at the nickel 3-3-5 3 overload fire. And with all of the blitzes, you basically have to set them up. I've tried to run it just as is, and it just doesn't work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it up. I'm going to crash the line to the left, and I'm going to move this nickel back over a little bit. I already got the outside linebacker down. And then the middle linebacker, I'm going to put him in a zone. So this is a different version of it than the normal version. So let's hike the ball. And notice both the nickelback and the defensive end, they get in and they sack the quarterback. Let's run that again. And I'm going to do the same thing. Crash line left. The outside linebacker is sort of on the line. And I'm going to move this nickel back over. Let's see what we get. It got blocked up. It's a bad pass. Bad read on the pass anyway. Do it one more time. This time I'm going to pinch the line. I'm going to move the middle linebacker over. Crash. Move this nickel back over. Move the outside linebacker down. And then I'm going to take this defensive end. And I'm going to, while hot blitz the nose tackle, take the defensive end, put him in a hook zone. Let's see what we get. Notice how that tackle came over to the other side. They still have that in the game. The tackle all the way from the other side coming over to make a block off the edge. So overloads don't work like they should because of that tackle doing that. And notice I have to move all of these players, so there is no pre-snap movement. The defenders are not moving on the snap. You basically have to set everything up. And right now I'm going to run what we would call the outlawed version. I'm going to put the middle linebacker in the spy, the outside linebacker right behind the defensive end. And then the nickelback, I can do whatever I want to with him. I'll crash the defensive line to the right. Now watch this. Yes, the spy blitz is still in this game. Right up the gut. Untouched. Question is, why are we having to set up blitzes? Blitzes are not about setups. It's about movement and